Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Elise's Eats, and today we are doing a Halloween special. Halloween! We're going to be making adorable little mummy hot dogs, kind of like pigs in blankets, but the blanket's going to be like wrapping all the like bandages on a mummy. And I thought we'd make some little baby mummies and some mummies. Yay! So these are the ingredients you're going to need. Magic, because I'm a witch. Okay, so you'll need about 24 little chipolata sausages. We're using 12 and 6 larger sausages. Of course, you could use literally any sausage. It's a very simple recipe, but that's what we got. 1 large egg with 1 to 2 teaspoons of water. This will be for our egg wash. About 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil to fry the sausages in if you need it. Depends if you've got a non-stick or a stick pan. Some white cheese. Now you can use mozzarella. I'm using baby bocconcini. This is just to make the little eyes for our mummies, which is adorable. Some black olives. Again, this is to make the pupil of our eyes for the mummies. About 4 to 5 sheets of puff pastry. It honestly depends on how thick you want your bandages. We're going to do quite small, thin bandages. Let's get started. Magic. Ooh. So what we're going to do first is fry our sausages. We're only going to cook them for about 6 to 8 minutes. I prefer cooking them all the way through and then putting the puff pastry and baking them, just so you don't get any raw sausage, because we don't want food poisoning. Or maybe we do. Halloween! I don't know. Oily boy. So we've cooked our sausages. Now obviously the large sausages took a little bit longer than these tiny little ones, so just make sure to cut through one to see if they're fully cooked. And what we're going to do now is take a small sharp knife and we're going to cut our puff pastry into about 1/2 centimeter strips. And then what we're going to do is wrap them around our little sausages, and then we're going to whisk our egg together to make our egg wash, brush them, put them in the oven. And our oven is preheated at 200 degrees Celsius or 390 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, just a little bit of advice so your puff pastry doesn't become too soggy and hard to work with. Just cut 1 sheet at a time and wrap each sausage that way. Otherwise, the puff pastry will defrost too quickly and might start to go mushy. Now with the sausages, what you want to do is grab a piece of your pastry and start from the bottom. Now we're here. And you just keep winding it around. You want to leave a little bit of space in between so you can see the skin, which I think is kind of cute. And you just keep rolling and rolling. At the top, to make it look like a little bit of a face, you're just going to leave about that much room. Now, of course, mummies were not wrapped to absolute perfection, or maybe they were, I don't know. But make sure to do a little bit of diagonal here and there, do some straightness, overlap it, give it a bit of depth and dimension. Just have fun with it and make them adorable. So we're going to bake these for between 15 to 18 minutes, or until your puff pastry is nice and gold and flaky and delicious. Bye. Okay guys, so that's how you make my adorable little mummy pigs in a blanket things. I love them so much. They look so cute. I can't even I mean, it's something so simple as a sausage in puff pastry with cheese and olives on it, but there's something about them around Halloween, like who wouldn't eat that at a party? Let's just eat.
They look so cute, I can't get over
He
it.
looks drunk.
He does a bit.
Oh, I love it.
I'm gonna have a little one.
Little baby one. Baby, baby.
Let's go.
Okay. I go brains first.
Oh,
I mean,
yum.
it's so simple, but it's just a really cool effect.
Absolutely.
10 out of 10 would recommend.
Yes, I love them. They're gorgeous.
Halloween!
I'm never going to be able to say Halloween normally again.
No, I know.
Hey
guys, thanks for watching this video.
Like and subscribe if you want to see more.
And leave a comment in the section below so that we can make something you've always wanted to eat. Because I love it.
Bye.
Preferably anime or something TV related or something like that or something awesome game related.